Hey guys, it's me TJ, and my video just stopped for some reason, but who even cares anyways? So, we're gonna finish this movie off. I haven't done it for a long time now, so we're just gonna finish it off. So here we go. Let's finish this, Superfly. It's time to send you back to the state pen.
Hey, dudes! Well, I'm cruising with you, but where are we going exactly?
Oh, see that building over there? That's not it. No, and we're going to this super cool shipping graveyard over in Staten Island. It's the best borough, bro.
I love Staten Island.
Okay, it's go time. Attack these fools.
Not sure that's as easy as it sounds. I mean, this dude is literally a rhinoceros.
I got an idea. How about something we can all sing along?
But look, if we jam the brakes, they'll just fly out the front of the car. There's no windshield or anything.
It's impossible. We need like a long and narrow device that's small enough to get under the seat, but strong enough to press the pedal.
You mean a stick?
I got it. 4 9 days.
This is the great song, and I said, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey! Oh my
What the?
Hey, y'all better hurry!
You're about to sing it.
Hey, you hurt Rock? I hurt you.
That's the superpower.
Don't worry, guys. I got this. I don't got this. I don't got this.
Dead tortoises.
That's fast, guys.
You can't stop me. It's a monster truck dummy.
Tokyo Drift.
Yo, dudes, you launched me out of the front of that van. That is not cool.
Well, you're not
Sorry,
cool.
we had to.
You know what? I don't accept that apology.
Yeah, I'm not sorry at all. Not gonna lie.
Now get off the damn track. Yeah, I think it's trash.
Hey, I'm back, you green.
Stop it, you bloody hooligans, or I'll blow your bloody heads off.
I don't know.
Superfly's almost dead. He's not going to be as nice about this.
You're not being nice.
He'll be left nice.
Now or never, dude. Give us a device.
6 in the morning, police at my door. Come on.
Yeah. Not sure, guys.
No! He used my stick against me. Now he's mollywopping me.
Man, I almost thought y'all was cool. See you in hell, turtles.
Quick, grab it.
I'm getting ripped too.
Gucci, Gucci, Gucci.
Don't let go. Oh no.
Go, 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 go. Surround them. Make a
Oh,
perimeter.
police, don't kill me. Never mind, it's TCRI.
April, help!
Say goodnight, freak.
Why, hello, turtles. I've been looking for you for
Cynthia.
a long time.
Look, lady, I don't know what you want from us or why you talk
Cynthia,
so scary,
Utrom.
but we shouldn't be in here. There's a fly monster.
I will do the talking.
You can't just zap my turtle friend like that.
Cynthia Utrom. And you are my property.
What?
Enough! I will use you to create a stable mutagen. And with that, I will create an army of super soldiers. Dolphin men to plant bombs on submarines. Eagle men to fight enemy jets. Snake men to slither behind enemy lines. The glory of it all nearly brings me to tears.
What does this have to do with us?
Yeah, what do you want from us?
What I want is your blood.
You're not
And
gonna
there's
boil it, are
only
you?
one way to get it.
Oh, no.
Can't believe she's gonna.
Don't you dare.
So I cry sometimes when I find man just to get it all out.
Like, man, shut your mouth. If I want to be sad, I'll go listen to some damn John Legend.
Don't talk to me.
Sorry, bro.
Now remember, this is a happy day because we're gonna kill every human on this big old ugly earth. So smile, Mondo.
Oh, I don't think that's gonna happen. Not for long.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own.
Boys, you come home? You forgive me? My surprise party worked? Huh? Come back. I bite you.
Hey, Mr. Rat Man. I'm April. Come in peace. I'm friends with your sons. And right now, they're in
You're in
trouble.
trouble. Okay, we're about to get milked right now, so I'll talk to you guys later. So, peace.